over to the news. With the start of a new season, authorities are taking unusual measures to maintain safety on the slopes and avoid a repeat of last year's record number of emergency fallout. Bad conditions were blamed, but they remind everyone to be careful as you're having fun out there.
The electric motors in the new Macan draw their energy from a lithium-ion battery in the underbody, with a gross capacity of 100 kilowatt-hours, of which up to 95 kilowatt-hour can be actively used. The 800-volt architecture of the PPE in the new Macan enables high-performance fast charging, which is being tested worldwide as part of the development process. There are different charging standards in our main markets. A major focus of the testing has therefore been on checking these different framework conditions in the different locations with our prototypes, and adapting the technology accordingly where necessary. Charging simply has to work, wherever and whenever, says Kerner. The DC charging capacity for the new Macan at 800-volt charging stations is up to 270 kilowatts. The charge level can be increased from 10 to 80% in less than 22 minutes at 400-volt charging stations. A high-voltage switch in the battery enables bank charging by effectively splitting the 800-volt battery into two batteries, each with a rated voltage of 400 volts. This enables particularly efficient charging, without an additional HV booster, at up to 150 kilowatts. AC charging is possible with up to 11 kilowatts. The X-Trail Mountain Rescue is supporting a campaign in 5 European ski resorts under the banner of Ride Responsibly. Nissan will promote courteous slope etiquette with the placement of digital signs, which encourage snow riders to slow down where different slopes meet to reduce the risk of collision. Similar to roadside signs that display a vehicle's speed, the signs will monitor the speed of approaching riders and show "Thank you" for those who are approaching at a considerate speed, or "Slow down" if their speed is judged as excessive. The X-Trail Mountain Rescue will be displayed in a glass box at the popular Italian ski resort of Cervinia.